Hello lovely people, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create this look. The only thing that I can see is how perfectly my lipstick matches with my shirt. My eyelids are covered with shimmers and you guys know how much I love my shimmers. I'm obsessed with shimmery eyeshadows and glittery eyeshadows, but the only thing that I can see is my lipstick matching perfectly with my shirt. Whenever I don't feel motivated to do anything, like the past week and a half, that's how I've been feeling, I like doing a really bold, really glam makeup look, just like this one. At first I was planning on playing with some colors, I wanted to do a really colorful makeup look, but then I thought, nah, that requires too much blending. Let's just do something more simple this time. So yeah, brown eyeshadows, sparkly eyelids, lipstick matching perfectly with my shirt. This is actually not lipstick. You're gonna see what it is at the end of the video. But yesterday, I curled my hair. These are second day curls. I like them a little bit more than first day curls because they look a little bit more loose, they look more effortless, they look more like, hey look, I tried, but not too much. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy watching this video and let's just jump right into the tutorial. Alright. How do I manage to look like a mess at the beginning of every video? Now you see it, now you don't. Now you see it, now you don't. I thought I would do my eyebrows before anything else today, just to save some time. I thought it would look cute, but honestly, these brows look really intense on my face. Once I have the rest of my makeup on, it will be fine, but on my bare face, they're a little bit too much. So I'm gonna start off by priming my face. I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. This is the protecting one. And guys, this primer will make my face glow like crazy. You're gonna see. It will make my skin super glowy. See, I told you. Alright, next up, I'm gonna also add one more primer because I like mixing these two primers. These are both, I need to close this. These are both by Laura Mercier and they have different editions. I like mixing them because they're very lightweight. This is the blurring one and I'm gonna add it just in the center of my face, in my T-zone. I have no idea why my skin is breaking out so bad. For my foundation today, I'm actually going to use a concealer. This one is the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Long Wear Concealer and I'm in the shade 1N. This concealer, I really like it because, it has a beautiful coverage, but it's also the perfect match for me. It's not too dark, it's not too light, it's not too orange or red, it's just perfect. I'm just gonna, I'm gonna take my sponge and blend it out. Oh wow, my skin is so dry today. And I'll add some more in the areas where I need a little bit more coverage. This guy here. You can definitely use this concealer as your foundation all over your face. It's very lightweight. It's not like one of those really thick full coverage concealers. This has like a medium to full coverage. You can definitely build it up, but for me, the main thing I love about this concealer is that it matches my skin perfectly. Like, this is my perfect shade. Moving on. Hey, you know what? I'm actually gonna use it as my eyeshadow primer today. I'm just gonna add some of it on my eyes and we're gonna blend it out. I don't know if you guys can see, but I have some darkness and this like blue purple color right here in the inner corner of my eyes, and I want to cover it up before I apply my eyeshadows because sometimes if I don't cover it with any concealer, I leave it there, when I apply my eyeshadows it kind of looks weird. I'm sure that I'm the only one who can notice that, but it really bothers me. So we are moving on to the eyeshadows, I forgot to put on my earrings. Oh no. Hold on. We can't move forward without them. I'm gonna take a nice fluffy blush. Fluffy blush. What? I'm gonna take a nice fluffy brush. This one is by Sigma. It comes with their Enchanted eyeshadow palette, I think. I'm gonna take some of these eyeshadow here. This is the Makeup Geek Vanilla Bean, and I'm gonna add it in my crease just to set that concealer in place before we move on to the darker colors. Next up, I'm gonna take the shade called Creme Brulee. Next up, I'm gonna take the shade called Creme Brulee, again by Makeup Geek. All the matte eyeshadows that I'm gonna use today will be from Makeup Geek. This color will be my transition shade. I'm adding it into my crease, circular motions, and slowly building up the color. So these eyeshadows are again by Makeup Geek. This is the Espresso Yourself and this is Cheetah Bear. I'm just gonna mix them on this brush. It's the Zuiva 227. So I'm going back to that first brush. I haven't added any additional eyeshadow on it, and I'm just using it to diffuse the edges of those darker colors because we want them to look more diffused. We want them to look more blended, more smooth. So I'm just gonna take my time here. I'll add a little bit more of those darker shades, and after that, I'm gonna blend out again. Now, if you have a clean, like really fluffy blending brush, you can use it to go over all the colors, and that will make them look even more diffused. Adding some glitter glue. This is going to be the base for my shimmers. Wow, that's beautiful. Check it out. Woo! I'm so excited. I want to highlight my brow bone a little bit, so I'm gonna use this highlighter here by Essence. That's an intense highlighter. Okay. See this harsh line here that we created with that highlighter? Yeah, we want to blend it out. This is a very tiny clean brush from Sigma. It's a really nice brush. It's the E36. It's really convenient for more precise, things that you want to do. I'm sure you guys are wondering what are those shimmers that I used on my eyes. They look so beautiful, right? So sparkly. It almost looks like my eyelids are wet. It's so cool. Okay, so this is the Hourglass Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow in the shade Ray. Now this is gorgeous. This is like a loose eyeshadow. I mean, not really. See, if I do this, nothing falls off. So it's not loose. But it's not like really pressed. The product inside the packaging is not like super pressed. So it's more loose, I guess. They describe it as cream to powder eyeshadow, and it's so pretty. They have it in different colors, but it has tons of shimmers and really fine glitters. I mean, you can definitely tell. I kind of feel bad for using a little bit more high-end product in today's video because this is like our main product, the shimmers. It's our main character, and it's a little bit more pricey. It's like $20-something, and I understand that for that money you can get a whole eyeshadow palette. I understand that, but these are so beautiful. However, I don't want you guys to think that only the expensive stuff are good. That's not true. If you want to invest in some really good shimmers, these are great. I like Hourglass as a brand. I think that they're one of my favorite high-end brands. I like most of their products actually. They're really nice. I like their brand. I'm trying to balance today's video using, some more affordable stuff and also putting some more high-end products in the mix. I'm gonna go ahead and do my winged eyeliner now. I'm using the e.l.f. eyeliner. I'm sorry for blinding you with my shimmers. When I close my eyes, it's like, whoo, so shiny. This eyeliner is so easy to apply. And let's put on a pair of falsies. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes, coat them with mascara. And for my lashes today, I'm gonna use a pair by Makeup Geek. Let's do some color correcting under the eyes. I applied a little bit too much of this pink thing under my eyes. Hold on, oh my god, no. I wanted to use some of my Too Faced concealers under my eyes. Instead, I added the Laura Mercier, that same concealer that I already have on my face. I'm gonna add some of them too. Just a tiny little bit, because I already have quite a few products under my eyes. They will crease quite a lot if I use too much, but I have two shades from these Too Faced concealers. The one is really light for me. It's the shade Cloud. It's this one here. And the other one is really dark for me. It's the shade Nude. So I'm just gonna take some of them on the back of my hand and I'm gonna mix them together till I get the shade which is, you know, more suitable for me. And I'm gonna add a little bit of that under my eyes just for some extra coverage. Next up, before I move to my contour and blush and highlighter, I'll set my face with some powder. This is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless. I'm gonna pat it all over my skin. The brush that I'm using is the Sigma F37. This is a palette by Hourglass and I'll pick this blush here. I'll show a little bit on my nose. This is a bronzer by BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna take it on that same Sigma F50 that I used to apply my blush, but I would take it on the edge of that brush. See, it's only on this part of the brush. I'm placing that edge of that brush in the hollows of my cheeks, like this, and I'm just blending it. You can do the same with contour. It will just add some more dimension to your face. I'll also bring that bronzer on the top of my forehead. And now is my favorite part, melting all the products into my skin. I'm doing that by spraying my face with the oil from Makeup Fixer, and then I'm just patting that setting spray into my skin with my sponge. I'm being very gentle. I'm not using pressure almost at all, and I feel like by doing this, all the products kind of melt into my skin and they look a lot more natural. I don't know why, but I feel like I need more coverage under the eyes and I don't want to add more products there. I feel like it will be a disaster if I add even more concealer. You know what I'm gonna do? I will actually take some of that first eyeshadow that I used, the Creme Brulee one, and I'll smudge some of it under my eyes. Yeah, that helped quite a lot. I'm gonna add some of the bronzer. I don't know. At this point, I'm just playing. See, I have nowhere to go with this makeup, so even if I ruin it, that's fine. Nobody except you and me will know, so I don't know why you guys, but today I don't like my brows at all. I feel like it's because I did them before my makeup. I'm used to doing my brows after I have my foundation on, but today I did them before that, and I don't know why. They just... I don't know what it is that I don't like about them, but I don't like them. I also apply a little bit of the Espresso Yourself, just really close to my lashes. I'm keeping it only in the outer half of my lower lash line. Okay, I think I found what I didn't like about my brows. I think that they were too ashy, too gray. So I had this Benefit GimMe Brow in the shade 3.5 and I just ran it through my brow hairs and that really made them look better. It warmed them up, because I don't know if you guys can tell, but this brow gel is really warm toned. I usually use the shade 3. Let me do a little swatch for you. So this is the shade 3, which is more cool toned, and 3.5 is more red. Yeah, I think that really fixed them. Nice. So what do I want to do? What do I want to do? I want to add some eye pencil in my waterline. This one is by Pretty Vulgar. I really like it. It will add some brightness to the whole look. You guys, I just realized I forgot to add highlighter. And I usually apply my highlighter before spraying my face with that setting spray. How did I forget to apply my highlighter? Am I okay? Okay, this is weird. I think I like this look without any highlighter. No, for real, I don't think that we need any highlighter today. Because that blush that I used from Hourglass, which is in this palette, it has like a really small amount of sheen in it. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but look, my skin kind of looks glowy here. Right? Where I would usually apply my highlighter. Oh, I think I'm gonna skip it today. I know that this might be really surprising for some of you because I like my highlighter. I love it so much. But I think, guys, let's make a difference in today's video. Let's skip the highlighter. I was planning on using this one here by Essence. It's so intense. Let me do a little swatch. I love doing swatches. I don't know if you can tell. But that highlighter is so intense. I have so many things on my hand. I have some eyeliner here, some brow gels. I don't know what is this. Probably eyeshadow. I have some concealer here. Oh my god. But yeah, if you're looking for an affordable, really intense highlighter, this one here by Essence. Hey, hold on. I can still use it. I'm gonna add it in the inner corners of my eyes. See? Yeah. Look how blinding it is. I mean, don't look how blinding it is. If somebody tells you, look how blinding this thing is, don't look. It's a trap. But no, seriously, look. So beautiful. I don't know why, but I have the urge to turn this huge pimple into a beauty mark. I don't know how it will look, but I'm willing to try. Ah! Oh my god! Ah, that's so painful! Oh, I can't believe I did that. I can't believe I did that to myself. This was so painful. Oh, it hurts. Yeah, no. I think that I'm not good at this. Look how red it is under the foundation. I mean the concealer. I've seen Desi Perkins do that. If she has blemishes and stuff, she's turning them into beauty marks, and she's really good at that. Hers look really, really nice, but I don't think that it worked for me. Okay, anyways, for my lips today, I'm gonna do a really simple combo. First, I'm gonna line them with some lip pencil, and then on top, I'm just gonna add some lip balm. I'm using the Lano Lips Lemonade Lip Treatment. It's my favorite lip balm. Look, this piece of hair is still sticking out. I sprayed it with so much setting spray, nothing helps. Please go back there, please. It's like, nope. You know what? Whatever. I really like this makeup look. It's like a chocolate, shimmery chocolate smoky eye. Those sparkles are just giving me life. So beautiful. I don't want to take it off. I'll probably go do stuff around the house with this makeup on, and I'm gonna admire this makeup look every time I pass next to a mirror. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I really hope you like how the look turned out. Sparkly chocolate smoky eye. I love it so much. If you guys enjoyed watching, I would really appreciate it if you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. I'm also on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. You can follow me on there. You can watch some more of my videos next. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!